Hey there folks, my name is Luke. Welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review, where it is time for more viewer mail. Oh yes, we have two packages here from two awesome viewers. This one comes from Maxwell. Maxwell, my friend, why don't you go ahead and say it with me? What's in the box? Oh yeah. I am up here at Lone Wolf Mountain, so I don't have to be quiet. I can scream all I want to. Life is good. Let's see what is inside this box from Maxwell. Cool. I like this already. It looks like military surplus. Okay, so we have one pouch, military pouch. Cool. Okay, we have another pouch. On the inside here, multiple dividers. That is awesome. Thank you so much, buddy. I haven't actually seen that one before. That's new. Okay. So what we have here is some sort of bag. This thing is pretty cool. It's almost like a compression sack with some Alice clips on it. That's different. Thank you so much, man. Numerous different types of straps and buckles. We have a military canteen and a stainless steel cup to go with it. Ah, and even the heater stand. You can actually build a fire in these and boil water. We have a little fork, spoon, combo, bottle opener, and so on. This is a harness system to something. Ah, Whoopee blanket. Hello, my old friend. I am a huge fan of Whoopee blankets. So, there is no letter, and that's okay. Maxwell, my good buddy, thank you so very much for the package. I love military surplus. You have made my day. Woohoo! Next up, everybody, we have this gigantic box here. Now, this comes from my good buddy, Eric. You are a great guy, a good friend. Let's see what's in the box. No knife. What do we have here? Whoa. Okay. This is the North Face Summit Series Inferno -40-degree sleeping bag. 3 pounds, 14 ounces. Oh my gosh. 800 pro down. Wow, everybody. -40 degrees Fahrenheit. With this sleeping bag here, I could do just about any trip I would ever be in a position to do. Brother, I don't even know what to say here. I am not going to pull this out of the stuff bag right now. I will do a video on this sleeping bag and maybe even a review. Oh my gosh, Eric, thank you so much, good buddy. Wow, wow. Guys, I'm just absolutely floored. I'm floored. Maxwell, Eric, you guys have really hooked me up here. I don't know what to say. You guys, again, have stripped me of all words. I don't know what to say here. I am not worthy of this. Eric, Maxwell, thank you guys so much. To everybody else, the viewers and so on, you guys mean so much to Susan and I. We've developed some awesome friendships and relationships with you all, and we do not take them for granted. You guys are appreciated. My mind is absolutely blown. I know I say this all the time, but I'm floored. I'm absolutely floored. Everybody, take care, strength and honor. I need to go out for a seriously cold trip. Wow. Bye, guys. Thank you.